Welcome to my eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium box break number 21. Here's the last team up for auction. It was Edmonton. Here's the serial number NE181137-805. Let's get on with the break. Good luck to all you guys. Here we go, pack number 1. We have base and base. We have a game worn gear jersey card hit for the Chicago Blackhawks of Jonathan Toews. And base. Pack 2. Base. Base. We have a game worn gear jersey card hit for the Ducks of Jonas Hiller. And base. Pack 3. We have base. Base. We have a Hat-Tricks Trio card. This one's going to be between the Flyers, the Devils, and the Penguins of Eric Lindros, Martin Brodeur, and Jaromir Jagr. 21 out of 199. So we're going to randomize this one at the end between the Flyers, Devils, and Penguins. And base. Pack 4. We have base. Base. We have a draft day autographs hit for the Leafs of Luke Schenn. 97 out of 99. Decoy. And base. And the last pack. And base. Base. We have a nice game worn gear hit for the Boston Bruins. It's a dual prime, both two colors of Gregory Campbell and Matt Bartkowski. 22 of 50. Nice hit. And base. So give me 1 second, guys, and I'll set up the random. Here we go. We have Philadelphia, New Jersey, and Pittsburgh. Randomize the list 3 times. Whoever ends up on top is your card. Here we go. So 1, 2, and 3. So Philadelphia, that card goes to you. So just so you know, if you haven't heard this announcement yet, I do have my own website up and running, breakawaysc.com. We have our store here. Also, if you register with us, we're giving away a couple of nice cards. Panini Contenders, Gabriel Landeskog and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins card. So if you go on our site and register an account, your name will be put into our monthly July giveaway. Also, if you like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, your name will be put in an additional 2 times for the monthly draw. And also, we're doing live group breaks on BlogTV. doing them every Sunday night. If you're not too familiar with group breaks, we have our types of group breaks, the rules, and the ones that we have listed for next Sunday. We've done 2 so far in the 2 weeks we've been on BlogTV, so it's been a pretty good success. If you want to go, just visit our YouTube page and you'll see the 2 breaks. Just click right here to our BlogTV. It'll take you right to our page. So again, if you register an account with us and check out our group breaks, the one we have listed is an 8-box case of titanium, and there's 29 spots available. There's going to be a live team draft. If you're not too sure how a team draft works, there's a types of group breaks and it'll tell you all about it. So thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Hope to see you on the site and hope to see you on BlogTV.